Okay, now we learn about the next number. So this is the way that I haven't recorded, but now we will try to record the workings of the division. So for example, I have another number with no remainder, 3,484. You divide by 67. Okay, so how do you do this? Again, you have to put it on the proper place. Put the position or the framework is this. This is the frame, and the inside will be a dividend 3,484, and the outside or the divisor is 67. Now, what is the initial position in order to solve this answer? You have to put here 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the most makes sense position. Let's try. 3. Can we start from 3? No. Why? Because 3 cannot be divided by 67. It's too small. Can I on the second digit 34, right? So you have to start from the beginning. Can 34 divide by 67? No. So the most possible answer will be start from here. 348, 67. Okay, 67 times something that is near to 348. What is the nearest to 348? Let's try 67. Oh, 300 something. I put 5 because 6 times 60 and 5 is 300. Let's try. This is 5, 35, 335. Okay, it's still less. I want to try to do the other. How about if I increase the multiplier becomes 6? Let's try. 7 times 6 is 42. 42. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 4 is 40. Oh, it's too much. So you pick this. Right? Then put 5 here. And 5 times 67 will be 335. So all the working that you already did just now here on the right side, don't try to waste it. Don't waste your answer. Next, you do the subtraction, right? Don't waste the working. Don't just erase it, because maybe at some part you will need it. Here, 8 subtract 5 is 3, 4 subtract 3 is 1, and 3 subtract 3 is 0. Okay, and you have to add one more position here, 434. This is piece of cake. Why? Because 134 is the multiplication of 67 and something. So you have to do 67 times something that is near to 134. I just put 2 because I guess that's the nearest. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, it's the same. So 52, 134. You subtract, you have no remainder. So the answer will be 52. That's how it works. So it requires you a lot of practice in order to do this manually. Let's try to do the other number. I don't think I have enough space here, so I will copy this page to you. Wait, there you go. Yep, and then I'll give you the next question. Let's try to do the other. 4,300 again, yeah. 4,368 times by no times, sorry, this is the division. Divide by 56. What is the answer? Here you go. Try. Do one by one. You put the 4,368 on the right side because it's the dividend, and the 56 will be on the divisor. Okay. Now we can start from either first digit, second digit, third digit, or fourth digit. But in this case, we can try to use the third digit. Why? Because on the second digit, still not enough. Okay. So you have to multiply 56 by a number that near to 436, right? Because you want to start from here. Start here, right? 436. I just try to do 8. Because 50 something times 8 is 400 something, right? So 6 times 8 is 48, right? 8 times 5 is 40, 40, 440. Whoa, man, it's too much, right? If it is too much, you have to decrease the multiplier. 56 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. You have to master your multiplication facts. And 7 times 5 is 35, right? And you have to add by 4. 35 times 4. Plus 4, 39, 392. So you put 7 here. Wait, the 7 is not common. 7 here. 7 is 392. So what you do next is try to subtract the answer. 4. 3 minus 9 cannot. So 3, 13 minus 9 is 4. 4, 4, 8. Oh man, we already did this just now, but we still don't use it. Okay, you can use it because it's 4, 4, 8. So it's a bonus for you, 8. So put 448 and you subtract with no remainder. So the answer will be 78. That's it. That's how you do. Now, let's try to do the other harder question. Of course, it's getting harder. It's never getting easier, but you know how to do it now. Okay. Let's try to do the other number. Okay, I will try to use my calculator to check for the answer. Okay. 13,328 divided by 56. What is the answer? So again, this is the long division with no remainder at all. Okay. Now do the working. Right, as usual, you do this and do the 56 and then try to think of which digit you want to pick. First digit cannot, second digit cannot, third digit maybe. 133. Yeah, it can, not maybe. So 133, right? So 56 times something equals 133. I'm trying to do 3 because 5, oh, it's too much. 50 times 3 is 150. It's 133. So 56 times 2. 12, 11, right? 112. If you put 3, it's too much. So you put 2 here and put 112 here. And you do subtraction. 1, 2, and pick one number here. 2. 212. Okay, you can find the other. 56. I'm trying to do 4. Yeah, 4. Because 50 something times 4 is 200 something. I'm trying. We do trial and error. So don't get confused with, oh, it's not the answer. No problem. Just keep it like that. 24 to 224. See, it's bigger. So you cannot pick this. So I try 56 times 3 times 3, 18, 15 plus 1, 16, right? And then pick, subtract. So borrow 4, 0, right? It's 0 becomes 0. And you borrow again 1. So what is it? 448. Ah, okay, we still don't have the answer. So let's try to times 56 by something. 56 times something that can get 8. Okay, 8 then. That can get 448. You multiply. 8 times 6 is 48. I'm sorry. 6. 48, that's right. And 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. Okay, that's easy. So you put 8. So the answer will be 238. That's how we learn about the division facts. So you have to divide. The long division way is quite challenging, but you try to pick one number and do the trial and error. If you don't do the trial and error and you expect for, I want to do one time and it is as perfect as I can, sorry, you can ask your calculator then. You don't have such kind of working. Okay, so that's all about the explanation of the division.